Hi, I'm Tina from CMC Markets. Welcome to the weekly outlook where I'll be taking you through the key events and issues that you need to be aware of this week. Wall Street extended gains due to a rebound in the banking stocks after the big banks passed stress test and positive economic data. This week, the ISM manufacturing PMI will continue to gauge the country's economic health. ISM manufacturing PMI contracted for a seventh consecutive month in May. Due to high interest and sticky inflation, it was also the longest stretch since Great Recession. We'll also be looking into the FOMC meeting minutes, which would provide more clues of the Fed rate hike path. The central bank paused rate hikes after 10 consecutive increases in June, but it signaled to continue rate hikes as inflation is still well above its target level of 2%. The last one we'll be looking at the non-farm payroll. The job market is expected to be still tight, which would put the upside pressure on inflation. Number 2, Australia. The RBA's critical rate decision will be the focus this week. The Reserve Bank signaled to keep raising interest rate this week. However, the newly released monthly CPI dropped down to 5.8%, a sharp decline from 6.8% in April, which weakened the odds for the Reserve Bank to keep its rate hike cycle. Another influential economic data will be Australia's trade balance for May. Australia Trade Plus fell to 11.16 billion Australian dollar in May from 14.82 billion Australian dollar in April, which was also the lowest number since January due to a decline of exports in metal ores and minerals to China, down 15.4% from the previous month. This might drag on the ASX performance, especially in its big miner stocks. The last one will be the OPEC meeting. The oil cartel members agreed to cut outputs by 1.16 million barrels per day, extending its output cuts into 2024, amid a slump in the oil price. However, WTI futures price rebounded from its month low of $67 per barrel this week due to a larger than expected draw in the U.S. inventory. Stronger than expected U.S. economic data and potential continuous rebound in the Chinese economy may lift the oil price from its month low level, but the WTI future faces a near-term resistance of its 50-day moving average. That's all on the horizon for this week. Thanks for watching. I wish you a great week ahead.